Welcome to our channel, friends. Today we will go to Sahil Camp Istanbul, which is the biggest camping facility of Sahil Istanbul, where you can camp by the sea. Before starting the video, you can support us by subscribing to our channel. Located in Sahil, Istanbul, at the junction of the sea and the forest, Sahil Camp offers a very enjoyable camping opportunity for nature lovers who are equally passionate about green and blue, either by the sea or in an area covered with pine trees. Located in Sahilköy, Koca İskil Damali, a district of Sahil, this location is seriously preferred due to its establishment on approximately 35 hectares of forest land and being at the seaside. In this location, you can camp with your own tent or caravan, as well as in cozy bungalows designed like tents, hobbit houses buried in the hills or more. It is possible to stay in wooden villas with tiny house concept or in stone houses with fireplaces, which are also a comfortable option. You can also meet your needs such as electricity, clean water, wastewater from the facility. In addition to the accommodation areas, the facility has a 24-hour reception, cafe, restaurant, market, pool, beach, parking lot, survivor track, the opportunity to light a fire on the beach in the evenings, a giant swing by the sea and forest walking paths for Instagram lovers. Sahil Camp Istanbul tent, bungalow, caravan accommodation. You can stay by setting up your tent by the sea or by parking your caravan in the camper camp area. It offers specially prepared wooden platforms for those who want to camp in tents. You can position your tent on these platforms and stay a little higher than the earthen ground. As the Istanbul Caravan Park area, you can benefit from the general needs of a caravanist who likes to have a holiday in nature, such as electricity, wastewater, clean water, through the facility in the 40 caravan area where the sea and the forest are integrated. You can spend time with pleasure in the bungalow houses designed for 2, 4, 6 people to experience beautiful moments and accumulate memories. When we look at the Sahil Camp Istanbul tent, caravan and bungalow accommodation prices, accommodation with your own tent 250 TL, Istanbul Caravan Park 300 TL, facility tent rental 750 TL, Orman Koza Bungalow 1250 TL, accommodation with your own vehicle tent 300 TL, Cave House 1.500 TL, Tiny House 2.800 TL, Stone House 2.900 TL, Villa Doma 4.200 TL, Sahil Beach Caravan 2.500 TL, Dome Tent Istanbul 2.600 TL. Daily entry 150 TL prices are the current price list for July 2023. We log into the website of the reservation system, sahilcampistanbul.com, via your browser. You can click on the accommodation section at the top or the accommodation options just below. Let's take a look at the accommodation we chose. Weekday and weekend prices. Let's continue with the reservation. In this section, you can press the reservation button. We are now in a new panel. In this section we specify the entry and exit dates. You can optionally specify the number of rooms and the number of adults. You can see the availability by looking at the calendar and the accommodation details. We chose our accommodation. Adding events and queue. The last section of the reservation system contains guest information and payment information. After the reservation process, the reservation details you have received, together with the reservation confirmation code, are sent to the email address you entered by the system. You can travel by taking a screenshot or printout of the mail. Making a fire in Sahil Camp Istanbul. You are definitely not allowed to light your campfire on the ground in Sahil Camp Istanbul. This is actually one of the most excellent decisions of the business, because the tree roots are quite on the surface, and the roots of the trees burn at the slightest ground fire, causing the trees to dry out and then fall. There are tins for you to light a fire. If these tins are in use, you can still light your fire on a barbecue that you will take with you. Activities to do at the Sahil Camp Istanbul. At the facility, where ATV, diving, cycling tours, polygons and various trail activities are available, you can participate in the activity that interests you according to the event calendar. Enrich your camping experience, try climbing the rocks by the sea, and explore the hiking trails in the forest. Nature walk. You can wake up early in the morning, Put on your most comfortable sneakers and go for a nature walk among the birds chirping. Survivor activity. You will be able to race against time on the Survivor track specially prepared for you. While jumping and jumping, you will be able to leave all your troubles aside and enjoy the fun more. Airsoft. You can have the chance to try the excitement of airsoft, which is one of the outdoor activities in this cute region of Sahil. If you are confident in your shooting skills, you can both highlight this ability and make your loved ones happy by winning special gifts. ATV tour. You can share this incredible pleasure with 400 TL on the paths in the forest. Pool package. You can enjoy a large pool in the facility. Only on weekends, the pool package with umbrellas and sun loungers is 350 TL. Diving. The cost of this sport, which is done every day during the summer season, is 650 TL. Bicycle. You can explore nature with bicycle tours that you can rent for 100 TL every day. Sahil Beach. And of course, finally, sand, sun and sea pleasure will be waiting for you here. If you want, you can take your chair and umbrella and enjoy the sun and the sea. Where is Sahil Camp Istanbul? If you are using navigation, we do not recommend using Yandex's navigation. It leads to the closed road under construction. You can use Google Maps. Moreover, buses pass in front of the camp as public transport. 139 Dar depart by bus. You can get off at the Sahilco road stop. It is the closest place to the facility. Sahil Camp Istanbul Restaurant. The Port Restaurant serves with its renewed grilled meat section, delicatessen section, greengrocer section and world cuisine flavors and coffees. Snacks, burger, pizza, main dishes, pastas, salads, hot and cold drinks, milkshake, sweet in the restaurant with an extensive menu. Sahil Camp Istanbul Plus aspects. It is located very close to the center. You will not have to go out with services such as markets and restaurants. It is a very reliable and suitable area for people who want to camp for the first time. The camping area is quite large. You can move towards the back of the area to experience a more comfortable tent camping experience. There is a guard dog responsible for your safety in the area, so the risk of encountering wild animals is almost non-existent. There are game tools and equipment to support your social activities such as boxing machine, punching bag, foosball. Also, there are concerts on Saturdays. You can sit in the cafe and have your own breakfast. You don't need to buy anything. If you want tea, coffee, toast, everything is available. You can go inside by car and unload your load. Alcoholic beverages are not sold in the camp, but they are allowed to be brought from outside. You can bring the barbecue yourself. It can be obtained from the facility, and pets are accepted. Sahil Camp Istanbul negative aspects. It is not a very quiet, calm area. You cannot light a fire freely and act according to your own. There are common fireboxes. You can rent the bucket for the campfire. The common fire section for a large camping area is quite small. When you consider that 250 to 300 people are in the camp area, only a group of 40 to 50 people can be at the fire. Sahil Camp Istanbul contact information is phone 0216 419 74 40 or 0530 049 1790. You can reach us from 724 telephones. Address: Sahilköy, Bata Street. No 1 Sahil/Istanbul. We have come to the end of our video. Do not forget to leave your questions and opinions about this wonderful sea camp in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good holiday.